was using it wrong. It's shaped like a spoon because you're supposed to put it in your mouth. And it's like, I can taste all the stories. So many. I'm gonna have to go to some sort of rehab for this shit. God damn it. It just feels so good. How do you know when you have a problem? When it takes over your life. But I can still do stuff. It's fine. Shut up. You don't know. You see that girl over there? No. Neither do I.